How to make SUBST mapping persistent across reboots? Does Windows XP or later have a built-in way to create persistent drive mappings, like the ones SUBST creates? I found a third-party tool, SUBST. Is there a way to do it without third-party tools?
Well, Wikipedia mentions so you can associate paths with drive letters using SUBST. The persistent SUBST command, SUBST, software seems to be darn handy, and they provide a solution to run it from startup. This URL. Inconstancy, however, restart of a system destroys a virtual disk. What to do? A disk can be created after startup. But what to do when a disk is needed on early steps of a startup? For example, to run services? There is a system feature to start a virtual disk from the system registry. It is enough to create a text file with the extension reg and run it. When the next starting up of a system, the virtual disk will be exist at logon. It needs to define a name of disk and path. Note that each backslash in the path is doubled. In Windows, you can run the registry editor as follows. Start run. Or hit Win+R, type regedit in Windows Vista and above. UAC will pop up. Click yes.
Installing it at he_current_user has the benefit of having different setups for each user. I prefer to stick the user space setup as long as a system service does not depend on the device. Source: this URL.
There's an answer in the page you linked to. You don't need the third-party tool, you can do it with a simple registry entry, as detailed on that page. Create a text file named mapdrive.reg with these contents. Then should just be able to double-click on it to set up, no third-party tools needed.
I found this because I was looking for an improvement over my startup SUBST scripts. They worked okay, but sometimes executed after folders crashed on startup because my drive wasn't yet mapped. First, I edited the registry, but was unable to get it to work. However, I did come across this alternative, which although it doesn't use SUBST does answer for me the question, how to make SUBST mapping persistent across reboots. Don't use SUBST. Insert appropriate computer name and path name. I adapted this from Hank Arnold's suggestion at this discussion of mapping local drives. I had guessed that \my computer name \c might work, but I didn't know to apply the $. Before you try the net use command, try to navigate to
Spontana, Lehre und die Rechnungslinie.